Okay. Okay. See, now today we are going to discuss something like called as a product thinking framework. Now, let me tell the reason why are we discussing this particular topic. Now, in a real-time interview or also in a real-time project execution, you may have a situation or a scenario, and even from an interview point of view, they may give you a real-time use case or a scenario, and they may expect you to solve it in a very organized manner. You cannot just like that. We cannot keep doing things in a random manner. No. So we have one framework called the 7-step product thinking framework. So I just came up with one of the case study. Deliberately, I have made it the case study little bit complicated and complex. So we in this session we will run through the case study and then try to see how we can solve the case study both without AI and also using AI. And then we will also try to see, okay, how does this particular framework fit into that particular solution equation? Means how I can take this framework and then apply this framework for that particular case study to solve the case study. This is the funda. So that any kind of a real-time situation or a scenario comes to you, you can map this, you can map it back to this framework and then start solving it. Now, if you go through this particular framework, no, we have already covered some of the basics in the initial classes. So from that basics, you should be able to recap it. So first, we are going to focus on the business goal and the